Alright YouTube, this is basically a quick video about so many waves, Durags, and the material is made out of. We're going to clarify a lot of stuff today. We have a lot of controversial stuff. Everybody's saying, oh, it's really poly, it's not silky, and they're fake, and they take long for shipping, and a lot of stuff like that. But we're going to clarify a lot of that stuff today, and we're going to end that. Don't mind, I have my daughters right here with me. But we're going to clarify all that. And I have a couple of the Durags right here. You see they're colorful, vibrant. And my personal opinion, from what I know, is so many waves Durags are not polyester. They're not. There's no poly in it. They're not mixed with poly. They're not a high quality poly. Sorry, poly. So for everyone that's saying that their Durags are fake and they're polyester, you're wrong. They are not. They're 100% silk, and the way the material is set up, the reason why you have different textures when you have them is because there's different grades of silk. Not all silk is 100% shiny and silky. It's not. There's different grades of material, and unfortunately different Durag colors come in different Durag grades. So therefore you might not get that silky shiny material feeling. You might not get that, but at the end of the day it is silk. So speaking of grades, there's different blends, which is kind of the same thing. We blend our Durags, or not, should I say that the different blends to Durags causes the different textures, the different feelings, the different looks, the different feel of the Durag. And if you don't understand that, I'm sorry, you need to do your research on materials and sit there and take the time before you sit there and speak out your mouth. Sit there and take the time and research. There's different blends of silk. There's different grades of silk. If you don't know that, you shouldn't speak about nothing. Because I see a lot of hate on Instagram with a lot of people sitting there saying, oh, so many waves Durags is polyester, they're fake, they're not real silk. You don't know what you're talking about. And before you sit there and speak out your mouth, maybe you should do your research. Maybe you should take that poly off your head and actually get a So Many Waves actual silk. Let's touch on another thing, shipping. Do you realize when you order something from a company, this is not just from So Many Waves, this is from different companies, they don't sit there and, oh, let's go grab this Durag, put it in a box and ship it off. That's not how it works. They have to sit there and look at your order first, process your payments. So if you're using a credit card, obviously they have to make sure that credit card is not stolen, that that credit card has funds on it, that that credit card or debit card is able to be used before they process the payment, before they even start your order. Think about that too. Think about the processing payment too when you order. You might be using a fake credit card. You might not have enough money on your credit card. Your bank might be stopping your payment. You never know. After they process the payment, then they start to gather your order. Then they start to make sure they have everything in stock. And once they gather your order, then they start to package it. They give you a tracking number for your order and everything towards the end. So another thing is they have multiple orders. As you can see, not a lot of stores has So Many Waves Durags in their stores anymore. So therefore, all of the customers are coming directly to the source, which means there's not a lot of time for them to sit there and get your order out right away. So there's a 6 to 7 day business day wait to get your time and wait for your order. I can say if it goes past a month, okay, that's a little excessive. But if you have been waiting for like 4 days, 3 days, and your order didn't get to you, come on, my nigga. Let me watch my mouth. The last thing to touch on with So Many Waves material and their shipping and everything, a lot of people complain about the stitching and the quality of the Durags. The Durags, let me say this again. The Durags, wait, y'all not hearing me. The Durags are handmade. They're not machine made at all, which means, yes, they may come loose. Yes, the stitching might come loose or whatever, but that's because they're hand sewn. They're not made by a machine. And that just proves the quality of the do-rags. If you're getting handmade do-rags, they should be a lot more expensive, to be honest with you. Because there's people out there taking the time to make these do-rags one by one with these different grades of quality silk. And you guys are complaining, oh, $4.99 and I gotta pay shipping and the shipping takes forever. Come on, you're getting a handmade product. That's like, for example, my grandma could be sitting there sewing these do-rags together and you're not even appreciating it. Yes, it might take time to get your order, but then again, you're getting a quality product. I'm gonna end it right there. I said this is gonna be a short video. I'm not gonna keep going, but let's just say you can subscribe. I said subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'm gonna review a lot more stuff, different products, boo-boo caps. As you can see, I got one on my head, different stuff like that. Follow me on Instagram at the.wavy.culture. Also, if you want a 10% discount on So Many Ways do-rags, so you're not paying $4.99 or $3.99 for them and you want to pay cheaper, use the discount code. It's going to be below in the bio, and not the bio, but the description, and or you could just type in Dre Profit at checkout. DRE Profit, no space, no nothing. Type that in, get your 10% discount on your So Many Ways do-rags. Get your So Many Ways do-rags, different qualities. I'm your plug for them. Go get your So Many Ways do-rags, and I'm out.